Chief Meteorologist Jeff Castle with 31 Triple Doppler.
Jeff, you're tracking some showers that could be coming our way later this week, huh?
Yeah, we've got a few that'll come in tomorrow. Rain chances will pick up a little bit towards the end of the week and impact some of the weekend.
Hopefully not a total washout.
Doesn't look like it,
That's a good
but some of those outdoor plans, particularly Saturday, could be impacted by some rain moving on through. Let's give you the latest info here on our next weather maker, which is going to be coming through at the end of the week. It is another one of those summer cold fronts. No, this is not going to have a big punch of fall-like air coming with it, but it is going to bring some rainfall, which at this point we could use a little bit. You know, we had too much at the end of July, but it helped eliminate the drought, or at least reduce it in many instances. But since then, rain's been a little tough to find. Certainly haven't had anything too widespread. I don't think this is going to be a huge rain producer, but again, some scattered showers impact your weekend, and no huge cool down on the way either, although temperatures will ease back by a few degrees compared to what we'll have over the next few days. Let's talk rain chances here. 30% tomorrow. Only 10% chance Thursday, and then we're up to around a 40% chance for showers and some thunder showers Friday on into Saturday before those rain chances start to trail off at the end of the weekend. There's no rain out there right now here on WAAY 31 Triple Doppler, but I am continuing to monitor some showers just to our northwest. Parts of the Boot Hill, Missouri, northeastern Arkansas, even parts now of northwestern Tennessee, seeing a little shower activity. And notice the general motion here on the radar loop is in our direction, which does mean that some showers appear to be in the offing for parts of the Tennessee Valley early tomorrow morning. Let's show you the latest here with future radar. We just got some cloud cover on the increase right now, but we take you into tomorrow morning, 5:36 a.m., and some showers will be possible, especially if you're here in northwestern parts of Alabama and portions of southern middle Tennessee, mostly to the west of the I-65 corridor. Check in with meteorologist Grace Anello. She'll have the latest look there at WAAY 31 Triple Doppler and who has a little bit of wet weather first thing in the morning. Otherwise, those rain chances not going to be real significant through the day tomorrow. Here's the noon hour. Still may have a couple showers, Moulton to Rogersville, back to Florence, Muscle Shoals, Tuscumbia, but again, kind of limited on the coverage. The farther east you are, the higher likelihood that you are going to remain dry through tomorrow afternoon. In fact, as we wrap up your Wednesday, may even start to see the cloud cover break up just a little bit. So for some of you, yes, a little rainfall, but it doesn't look like a whole lot for your Wednesday. I do want to update you latest on Ernesto. Winds up to 65 miles per hour, moving northwest at 17. We just got a new update from the National Hurricane Center at the top of the hour. You can see Puerto Rico here and San Juan, so this is right in the vicinity there of Puerto Rico as well as the Virgin Islands. This is likely to become a hurricane overnight tonight. At least that is the newest forecast. The center of the storm stays offshore Puerto Rico, but they'll still get some wind, they'll still get some rain out of it. Again, becoming a hurricane by first thing tomorrow morning. And the new update here at 10 o'clock is that this is now forecast to become a major hurricane, Category 3, by early Friday morning. But what I want you to note is the track. The closest it gets to any U.S. territories is Puerto Rico. This is going to stay well off the east coast of the U.S., so other than some dangerous surf conditions that will be developing there in the next few days, there are going to be no direct impacts from Ernesto on the east coast of the U.S. It does come very close, perhaps, to Bermuda heading into the weekend, and then from there, it will gradually weaken and eventually make its way into the North Atlantic. So at this point in time, does not look like any sort of direct threats to the U.S. mainland, but we'll keep a watch on it for you, and of course, you can track that on the WAAY 31 Storm Tracker weather app. For us tonight, again, an increase in cloud cover. Temperatures, though, settle back nicely, upper 60s to around 70 in the morning. We'll climb into the mid-80s around the noon hour tomorrow, and due to increase in cloud cover compared to today, I think temperatures will be off a few degrees from where we ended up earlier this afternoon, but still a little toasty, upper 80s to maybe around 90 degrees in a few locations, and that's still very near average for this time of year. WAAY 31 Storm Tracker 10-day has a little dip in the rain chances Thursday and a bump up in the temperatures. By Friday, we could be talking mid-90s before that cold front comes in, but you do see the rain chances coming in later in the day Friday, lingering into Saturday, and perhaps even a little bit of wet weather holding on into Sunday. Temperatures will come down ever so slightly into the low 90s for Saturday, Sunday, and even on into that Monday time frame, but no huge drop-offs in the temperature yet. And the rain, I know it's not playing out well for weekend plans, but we need it because after this system, next one's not showing up, so we may get another extended stretch of dry weather heading into next week.
Well, I don't see any triple digits up there, so we're doing okay.
That's positive. We don't have those.
That's right. Jeff, thank you. We're back after this break.